So this is our crib. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We got the two-story room. The chances were slimmer than slim, the word itself. It was such a coincidence, or not a coincidence. We were just the luckiest people ever. So, yeah. This is the door, with some lights. Sorry, if the camera's a bit zoomed in, I can't zoom it out any further. This is our flip-flops, towels, blah, blah, blah. We don't talk about that. Blanket. So, let's go in the bathroom, because bathroom, you just turn on the light. Alright, sink, soap, bracelet, me, towels, toilet, bathtub, and shower. What's behind here? Oh, nothing's really behind it. There was just like baggies. Right. We have another sink right here. We have the ice pack. For a second, I thought it was a cookie jar. We have a Great Wolf Lodge drink or soda can. That looks like dirty. It looks like dirty ice cubes. Or, not dirty ice cubes. Oh, wow. That looks like a dirty sinkhole. So I just cleaned it out. Can opener, I think. I don't know. Keys, what is that?
Coffee.
Oh, coffee. Cups. I'm mixing up my words so much. Microwave, refrigerator. Well then. Alright. Cool. I don't care though. Recycling and trash. Say hello to her.
Her.
Yes.
Madre.
Yeah. Bags. More bags. Cabinet. Cabinet. TV. Bed. Lamp. Bed. Thermometer, whatever it's called. Table. This is so boring. I'm being so boring. I think this is just trash or something. I don't know. Cushions, bed. My brother is sleeping on it. Lamp, chair. What's it called? I'm mixing my
Fireplace.
Fireplace. TV. We can't go outside because they're working on the roof. Due to construction, this balcony is closed. Please do not try to open, which I did, and I failed miserably. More bags. All right, now let's go to my room. This is the highlight of the crib tour. This is my room. So let's run upstairs. Yup, this is my room.
Happen.
Yeah, I forgot that part. I can see down here.
What's up?
Hey, we got lamps. We got USB cords or charging. I'm mixing up my words so much. Outlets galore. I have a bench and a stool. More outlets. They're upside down. You got sink, bureau, lamps, tiny closet. Is that a bag of Lay's potato chips? Yeah, let's not talk about that. Towels, mirror, me again. Oh, yeah.
You can hop
And then here is my personal bathroom. Oh, yeah, I guess you're coming in too. We got this fan and light. We got toilet paper, toilet, trash can, towels, light switch. Let's see what happens when we turn off the light switch. Or, let's see what happens and we close the door and lock it and turn off the light and fan. Yeah, we don't talk about that. Let's turn on the light. Let's go out. We got a TV. We're just watching SpongeBob, I think. I don't know. Yeah, this is my bed. And yeah, this is my whole room. Hope you like it. So I hope you enjoyed my crib tour. I like the second floor of my whole room. Or my room is the second floor, which I'm very happy for. Yeah, this is my room, personal room. No one else is allowed in here unless I say that they can be in here. I don't know why he was in there. Anyways, yeah, see you in the next video, I guess. Bye.